Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and watching the video. Today I am up on the barn and I am putting the gutter guards on the gutters. So as it turns out, the order never got put in for Lowe's to put the gutter guards in, and they wanted I think like $1,400 to put gutter guards in, and I bought everything I needed for a couple $100. So I'm going to install them myself. Just goes to show you another opportunity to hire a contractor, but it's just out of my price. I mean, I'm not going to pay the price. I'm not going to do it. So we'll do it ourselves, a couple $100, and be done with it. So I'm up here now and taking the end of the panels off so we can slide the gutter guards up right there, and we'll screw it back down. Not a big deal. So here we go. Hang tight. What I've got is some scaffolding walkboard up here that I'm walking across carefully. Taking the screws out the bottom, and then we'll slide in the gutter guards. Okay, here we go. We're going to try to get this first piece in here. Okay. I'll drop the first one. Not a good start. Okay. So we're putting these 1/4-inch screws in there. They've got a square head on them, and there's 4 screws per gutter guard that we're putting in. Okay, now I'll go back and I'll put the big screws back in the tin. It'll hold the tin down in the inside of the gutter guard. Okay, we still have that little piece down there to cut, so she's going to get me a piece. But this is what they are. They kind of overlap. I like how these are designed. They overlap there. I don't know if you see that seam, but they kind of overlap each other. And then they got screws here down on the gutter side, and then those top screws hold down the top side of it. So that's what it looks like. It should be okay. Okay, everything's done. Last piece is in. We're good all the way down. We just need to go to the other side. So I don't know if we'll get that today or not, but we'll get it done. I am up here on the other side of the barn, and we are putting the gutter guards on here, on this side. So that's what I'm working on. I've put this scaffolding, not scaffolding, but ladder jacks on roof jacks on this side of the shop, so I can get up here. That'll take me 75% of the way down at least, and then the other half I'll have to do on a ladder. So I don't think I can do it from up on top comfortably anyway, but we'll see. Anyway, that's what I'm working on tonight. This is what we've got done so far. We're probably about 30% done. I've got a few of them up here, but these are these roof jacks that I put up here. I borrowed from Ron. So I'm gonna move these down here, and we're gonna get the rest of the roof. So hang tight, let me get moved, set up. Well, this is how I'm going to end my evening. Got a fire going in the Brio, and I'm about to put some chicken on the grill. So that's what we're doing this evening. So here we go.